Looking to transform your balcony into a green oasis? We're here to guide you through the top 5 plants that will breathe life into your space. From vibrant blooms to aromatic herbs, let's cultivate your personal garden sanctuary. Stay tuned to discover the top 5 plants that can turn your balcony into a green paradise. First on our list are the vibrant geraniums. These hardy plants require minimal care while offering a stunning array of colors. They're an ideal choice for adding that much-needed pop of color to your balcony garden. Versatile and vibrant, geraniums are a great way to start your balcony garden. Next up, we have the soothing lavender. Imagine stepping out onto your balcony to a calming scent wafting through the air. Lavender not only adds a touch of elegance to your garden, but also attracts delightful pollinators. With their mesmerizing scent and beautiful blooms, lavender plants are surely a great addition. The third plant on our list is the low-maintenance succulents. Their variety, unique shapes, and textures offer an interesting touch to your balcony garden. Known for their easy care and drought tolerance, they're perfect for those leading busy lives. For those with a busy schedule, succulents can be your best friends in gardening. A fourth on the list are the ever-popular tomatoes. Imagine the joy of plucking ripe, juicy fruits right from your own balcony. From cherry to beefsteak, a variety of tomatoes thrive in containers, enriching your personal garden. Healthy and homegrown, tomatoes bring a rewarding experience to your balcony gardening journey. Last but not least, we have the lush ferns. These beauties are lovers of shade and can effortlessly evoke a tropical vibe right on your balcony. Their verdant fronds create a captivating display. With their lush greenery, ferns can truly transform your balcony into a green oasis. So there you have it, our top 5 plants for a beautiful balcony garden oasis. Geraniums, lavender, succulents, tomatoes, and ferns. Give them a try and transform your balcony into a green haven. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!